Time now for our digital life hacks tip, and every week we put one of these together for you. And this week, well, if you want to get scammed, go ahead. Just Google "make big money from home" and then just start clicking all those links. The internet can be such a cesspool. But there are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online working from home. So we did all the heavy lifting for you and put together this incredible list of legitimate ways that you can make money at home. Now, just because you're working at home doesn't mean you just sit around in your bunny slippers. It's a job. You have to perform. And some of these jobs will require interviews and certain tests. So just like there's no Nigerian prince just waiting to send you $1 million, there's no easy road to making money online. Now, if you move fast enough, you could earn some extra cash for the holidays. So here are some opportunities for you to check out right now, starting with something that we all know. Yes, no one can read a doctor's handwriting. That's why you want to get into transcription services. And you can do it on home, on your schedule. There are sites like Daily Transcription. There's also Indeed specific searches. As I go through all of these, I don't want you to worry about writing them down because I'll tell you where you can tap into the whole list. Number two is, what about becoming a freelance writer? You think you can write? Why not start making some money at it? There's journalism jobs, Indeed, Writer's Access, Freelancer, Upwork. If you like to write, you could also be a blogger. You can quickly create a blog over on Google. We've got an ebook, by the way, about how to start a blog and make some money. Now, here's something you may have never thought of: search engine evaluation. What? Yes, you can make money by companies paying you to say, can you just Google search this on your computer and see what happens? We've got links to Applin and also iSoftStone. Virtual assistants, you can make up to $30 an hour, right? This is something you want to check out. You can also be part of an answering service for doctors and dentists. You could sell things online on Facebook Marketplace or Etsy. What if you want to be a secret shopper? You go to stores and you buy things. Well, that's where an app like Field Agent comes into play. Or you can complete everyday tasks by using TaskRabbit. You can be a call center rep. You could, of course, work for Uber or Lyft. What about social media? If you know a lot about that, you can be a social media consultant over at jobsandsocialmedia.com. If you like dogs, why not become a professional dog walker with WAG, or a pet sitter with Rover, a tech support rep, an online teacher of Teachaway? You can be an expert over at Just Answer. I like this one. What would you like to be? A virtual bridesmaid, or maybe a real bridesmaid? That's right. People are actually hiring bridesmaids for their weddings. You just have to wear one of those goofy little dresses and then do your hair and makeup and show up. If you're a photographer, how about selling your stuff online over at Fine Art America or ImageKind or iStock Photos, Shutterstock? See, these are the legitimate opportunities. As I said in the beginning, the worst thing you can do is just Google search, make money online. No, don't be a dummy. Don't do that. We have links to everything that I just mentioned free for the taking over at Komando.com. Once you're there, just hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.